So today we are at the Hubnut social in Sherburn in Elmet at the Motorist. Now, it is very windy, so I do apologise for all the wind noise. That's something we need to address in later videos. So I'm going to probably try and get a mic that will, you know, sort out the wind issues. But yeah, anyway, we've got some very lovely cars that I've not yet discussed about. I was rambling on about wind noise. Anyway, yeah, we've got a nice Buick here, Peugeot, Cabriolet, a lovely Renault Megane, which is a coupe in yellow. This is actually very nice. I think Josie Floyd did a review on this. I'm not quite sure. I'm sure I saw his video, but yeah, very nice with very cool plates. Here's my car. I've had quite a bit of people interested in that, which is quite surprising. It's always nice to have a discuss about the cars. Lovely Morris Minor there, Wolseley's, very nice. Got a Ford Escort, a Lotus, very nice. Oh, look at this, Bond Bug, very cool. With a few of those at the festival of next section. Reliant of some sort, I think. Not sure which one it is. I'll have to... Two CVs, lovely little Fiesta there, Mark 5, I think it is. Very nice. I always like this style of these, I don't know why. I do prefer the earlier ones though, with the more square headlamps. But yeah, but it's still very nice. Massive Ram 1500. Modern car, Mazda. It's a very interesting car, that. Not sure what it is. Range Rover. I thought my these actually went racing like the same colour. BWGDI. There is actually another show here today. JDM something or other. There's a little scimitar there, which is very nice. Subaru, got a Ford Escort Popular. Next to a Seat and an MX-6. Some more Japanese Honda stuff, JDM stuff. There's a Tesla, something here. PM Eco, that's a very cool plate actually. Lovely little Citroen Saxo in a very nice turquoise colour. I always love turquoise cars. I don't know, but they always look very nice. Just look at that. Oh, it's even got the sunroof in it. Look at that. That is lovely. Look at the seats in that. Tell you what, right, we don't make them like we used to. That's a bloody true statement, but I'll tell you. Lovely BMW, and then you got the Tom's 75 there on a wide plate, so that's a very early 75, which is nice. MG Midget just poking through there. Let's have a little look around here as well. Lovely Citroen there as well. Love these, it's an estate as well. Ford. What he's called again? What do you call him? Zodiac, is it? I can't remember, but it's an executive one, so that's very nice. Another scimitar. Sorry for the wind noise, it's terrible. Wish it wasn't windy. I need like a, as I say, I need a proper thing to sort that out. It's a very nice 3-door Cortina GXL. More little cars over here. Zodiac, very nice. Now earlier, oh, it's gone. Earlier there was a Honda Concerto, which is pretty much the same as a Rover 200 R8. Very nice car. It was in green. So whoever owned that car, it was very nice indeed. Coming back over here again. So, you know what, right? I'm not keen on BMWs, but this era of BMW is fantastic. Any of the newer ones I'm not keen on. MGB, Vauxhall, the Renault 25 just leaving the show. 2CV, Daewoo Matiz, another Citroen. Oh, viewers, this is what I call lovely. Now this is a very early Rover 75 on a T-plate. Oh, it's lovely, that. Absolutely fantastic. Next to a Peugeot 205. Love the badging on these. These are very nice. Look at that. Ford Fiesta. Lovely stuff. Some more cars over here. Actually, we do have a very, very special car here today. I'm sure many of you guys will know who this is. But it is Nigel in all of its colourful glory. It's very cool. In fact, it's a Rover 425, this one. Decided to put an extra digit on the back. But still a very nice car. This Ford Escort 3-door I saw earlier, which is very nice. I do like that. That is a very nice one. I love the colour on it. See what's going on over here. This little Mini leaving. Yeah, people are starting to leave, so I wanted to just get the footage in before everyone started to disappear. It obviously makes sense. There's that lovely Rover 75 again. T-plate, absolutely lovely. Look at that. Gorgeous. And next to a Renault. Another Reliant. I believe this is a Kitten. It's 4 wheels. Yeah, it's a Kitten DL. DL. Probably meaning deluxe. I don't know what that'd get you. Possibly a radio. That's probably about it. What do we have here? This looks like a I don't know, Plymouth, is it? It's a Plymouth, I think. Oh, it says it on the front. It says it on the front. There we go. There's Hubnut's car there. There he is there, talking to some of his fans. Look at this. This is very interesting. Very cool. Vauxhall Astra van. Audi TT. Nissan QX. The V6 in it. Very cool. Let's go around the front here. The Volvo. Got another Reliant. Oh, look at that. Viewers, look at this. MG Montego. Oh, look at that. That is absolutely lovely. Wow. Look at that. Bloody lovely, that. Absolutely lovely. Very nice. Next to a Marina, which is also very nice. Very 70s colour. Renault Twingo. One of my friends has got one of them. In a very nice turquoise colour, but this is more of a purple. But even has the sunroof as well. It's very cool. So it's a later one on an S plate, so that's 98. We've got a Vauxhall Cavalier with lots of stuff in the back on the parcel shelf. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Little Mini there. Freelander. Coming around again. MGF with ginger caters, along with another Ford that does have ginger indicators as well. Fiat. Can't pronounce the name, I won't try. It's a Citroen, another Land Rover, Honda. It's a Peugeot. Oh, look at this. Triumph. These are very low down bar. Very surprised. Very surprised indeed. It's a Skoda. Very cool. Yes, it's what I think it is. Oh, it's got no badges on the back. Is it a fabric stick? You know what, I'm not the best with Skodas, but I do like a fabric. Audi 100 estate. Lovely Citroen there. Just look at decals on this. Pilots. Just cool stuff like that. What do we have over here? Got some more modern things there. There's a little 2CV over there. GTI. Golf. Rover 75 estate. The Mark II. So it's we're looping back round again. Got two lovely 75s here. Speaking to the owners of them earlier. Very lovely diesel next to a K-Series powered facelift 75. I must say this one, we're having a chat. This one's done over 100,000 miles. It looks nothing like it hasn't done that. It's more. It looks like, I don't know, probably 30,000. The engine was immaculate. It's very interesting. Like both MG TF Citroen. Very nice. Yes. Very nice. Let's have a look at these other ones, because these were separate to the rest. But yeah, little MGB there. But these here, look at this. This is bloody lovely. Absolutely lovely Ford. Got this here, Mazda. Oh, very nice. Next to a Nissan. Oh yes. Green seats as well. Very nice. Yeah, we can't really see much in the glass due to the reflection, but it's a Nissan Cherry GTI. Very nice. And here's Hubnut's Ford. It's very nice. Look at that. Lovely stuff in there. Very nice. But yeah, there we are. As I say, wind noise again. But hey, look at this. There's a few little American cars. I won't say a little, but you know what I mean. Pontiac. It's very cool in there. Very cool indeed. We've got Zodiac, Ford Zodiac. You got some very nice cars there. Yeah, I think that concludes today's video, to be honest. Yeah, it was a a good show. And yeah. So yeah, cheers for watching, and hopefully there'll be more videos coming.